Okay, in this video we are going to combine some of the previous steps and add the link within an image step. So this could be a long one. If you need to, just fast forward to the sections that you need. Okay, so here's my previous image. I want to add a new image and I want to link directly using that image to a Wikipedia page on that image. So in here I'm going to start my image source code, but I don't have my image yet. I just want to put that there so I know where I'm coming back to. So now I'm going to go search for that in Pixabay, and I want a picture of a lake, and let's see, I like this one. So I'm going to right click, save image as, and this is going to be lake. It's a JPEG. It's in the right folder. I know that because it's HTML landscape and it's where my other picture was. So I'm in the same project. Save that. Back to my code. And now I know it's in the same folder, so I could use this and change the name at the end. But just to remind you where that came from, if I go to my documents, my HTML, my landscape, and right click on the lake, and properties, and here it is here, the location is here, which, like I said, is the same. I'm going to copy that and paste it in here. It's good practice to save all the images for the same project in the same folder, so that's what we've done here. And I'm going to do my backslash and call this one lake.jpg, which is what it was. Double quote, title equals double quote, and that's just going to be lake. Width, again, is going to be 300. Height is going to be 200. Okay, and we want to close this one out to finish. Okay, that's good. I want to save this and test it to make sure that my image is shown up. And if I run Chrome, and there it is. So I've got my images. I do not have a caption on this one. Not going to worry about that this time. I want to focus on the link. So now if I go back to my code, I need to make that whole thing that's highlighted there on line 13 a link. So as you've previously done, we want a code that is the angle bracket A, href equals, and then we've got the double quote, and I need to go find where I'm going to link to. So I'm going to save that, and I want to link to the page on Wikipedia that talks about lakes. So let's go lake Wikipedia. See what we get here. There it is. That will work, I think. Let's double check. Yep, perfect. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go back to my code. I'm going to Control V to paste. Do the double quote at the end there and close out my tag. And now at the end of my line, I need to make sure I finish this up. Zoom in here so you can see with the A tag. Close. So there is that. So there is my image source code, just like above, but with a different reference. And at the very beginning of this line, we added the a href and the Wikipedia page. and then we need to save it and test that again. So run, launch in Chrome, and it looks no different. But if we come down to the picture, we now have the pointy finger over the image, as we don't on the first one because we didn't add a link to it. So if I click this one, it takes me to the lake page on Wikipedia, the place I linked it to. And if I hit the back button, I go back to my web page. So that is how to add an image and link it to a website somewhere else out there that you want to link it to.